He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, welcome to the first barbecue battle royal. That's right, we are going to be taking different condiments and different seasonings and things, and we're going to be pitting up against each other to see who's the best and who can hold the championship and the belt, and who can come back and defend their crown against another condiment I might find in the store somewhere, okay? So today is going to be the Buffalo Wing Hot Sauce Battle Royal. This is a triple threat match here. Let me introduce you to the contestants.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Barbecue Battle Royal. This first contestant weighs in at 17 ounces and contains 16 servings. It is a spirited sauce made of top-shelf ingredients. Give a rousing welcome for TGI Friday's Buffalo Wing Sauce. This next competitor says it is the boss, weighing in at 22 ounces and containing a whopping 43 servings per bottle. It is full-flavored sauce and it's a perfect blend of cayenne pepper and garlic. Please welcome Sweet Baby Ray's Buffalo Wing Sauce. And finally, from the bayous of Louisiana, this sauce allows you to control the heat and is both hot and spicy, weighing in at a mere 12 ounces but sporting 23 servings per bottle. I give you the sauce of the South, Louisiana Hot Wing Sauce.
Alright, so now that you know who the contestants are, let me go ahead and tell you how we're going to do this battle royal, okay? I have chicken wings in 3 separate containers, alright? 1 container for each one of the contestants, alright? So we're going to take our chicken wings and we're going to season them with some simple SPG. That's kosher salt, cracked black pepper, and garlic powder. And then we're going to marinate each one of these sets of wings in their own barbecue sauce. I'm sorry, in their own buffalo hot wing sauce, not barbecue sauce, okay? And then we are going to vacuum seal each one of these in a food saver bag to speed up the marinade process. We're going to let them sit in the refrigerator in a vacuum seal pack, each individual vacuum seal pack, for about 2 hours, and then we're going to throw them out on the smoker, and we're going to let them smoke until they're done, and we're going to come back and give each one of them a final coat of their own sauce, and then we're going to have a taste test. We're going to see how that works out. So hey, hang around, watch us do this short little prep work, and then we will get to the ring to see who comes out the barbecue sauce. God dog it, I'm sorry, the Buffalo Hot Wing Sauce champion. Alright guys, we are back, finished with our cook. About 2.5 hours, 2 hours and 45 minutes on the smoker. Each one of these were on their own rack, as you saw. And so right here we have the Friday's version. Right here we have the Louisiana hot wing sauce version, and right here we have the Sweet Baby Ray's version. Okay, let me go ahead and give you a close-up look at each one of these. Okay, here's the Fridays version. Now, as you can see, the Fridays version, its sauce is a little bit thinner. It's not as thick from what I can see as compared to the other two. It glazed on real nice. Has a nice smell to it. The whole room smells like hot sauce, actually, or hot wing sauce anyway. But this is the Fridays version. And over here is the Louisiana version. And that sauce is a little bit thicker. I may have to thin that out a little bit before I taste these. Remember, these were marinated in it, and then we did a dipping or a glazing of these at the end. And this is the Sweet Baby Ray's. Now, Sweet Baby Ray's was the thickest of them all. Excuse the sauce all over the plate. But as you can see, it adhered very well to the wing. Very, very nice coated, just like the Louisiana hot sauce, or like the Louisiana wings. So let's have a taste test of each one and see which one wins the battle royal. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and see which one of these bad boys win the triple threat match, the barbecue battle royal for this episode here. I got my beer, because nothing goes better with hot wings than beer. Got my Blue Moon rocking here. Okay, so the first one we're going to taste is the Sweet Baby Ray's, okay? So I can find me there we go. Alright. Give me a little napkin here. Let's go ahead and have a taste. Smells very good. Got a little spiciness to the smell. Let's go ahead and have a taste. Okay, so the Sweet Baby Ray one is it's not sweet at all. But it has a strong vinegary or mustardy type taste to it in the background. It's not very hot at all. Not hot at all, really. But it's got like this saucy, mustardy, vinegary type flavor to it. There's a little twang, but I wouldn't call it heat as you would hot sauce or true hot wings. But it's pleasant. It's not overpowering at all, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and try the Louisiana wings next. The Louisiana wings have more of a hot kick to it, and that would be expected based on the company that made this, the same company that made the Louisiana hot sauce. My tongue is burning a little bit, but not overpowering. Not as strong of a vinegary taste as the Sweet Baby Ray's is, although it is there also. But this is just more hot, you know what I'm saying? There's not a whole lot of flavor that I can tell. It just seems like a thickened up hot sauce with maybe a little buttery flavor to it. But between the two so far, well, I'm not sure just yet. So let me go ahead and try number 3. Let me get a hit of beer. Clean the old palate. And now we go ahead and try Fridays. Now remember, Fridays was a little thinner than the others. So let's see what we got here. Okay, the Fridays one has a little bit of latent heat in the back. Not as potent as the Louisiana hot wing sauce, but has a little heat to it nonetheless. More heat than the Sweet Baby Ray's one does. This one also has a hint of that vinegary type taste also. And but that's about it. So I think, even though I like heat, I really do like heat, and we're talking about hot wings here, for me, it's probably a toss-up between the Sweet Baby Ray's and the Fridays, because the Louisiana one is just heat. And the flavor was not as intense or say prevalent as it is in these two here. So I would say the Louisiana one comes in a third. And as much as I like Sweet Baby Ray's products, I am probably going to have to say that I like the Fridays hot wing sauce better, just because it has a combination of heat, plus it has a little bit of the vinegary type flavor that the Sweet Baby Ray's had. So there you have it. For me, the Friday's buffalo wing sauce is the winner out of these two. This bad boy here wins the triple threat match. Okay, so we're gonna try this on a few other things to see how well this goes. These are okay. I mean, like I said, if you want a Sweet Baby Ray's, it's not as hot at all. I mean, it's got a more vinegary taste than anything. But for a combination of heat, a little bit of kick from the vinegary taste, I think the buffalo wing sauce comes out on top. Okay, out of these three here. So what you'll see next time, the old Friday's buffalo wing sauce will probably defend its title in a few weeks against another barbecue buffalo wing sauce that we'll find out there on the market. Okay, so well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, we try to do a little something different on Bad Beast Barbecue every now and then. But hell, I'm going to eat all these wings, so it really doesn't matter. But for my money, the Friday's buffalo wing sauce wins this competition here. Hey, check out our description block of the video if you're interested in anything you saw in this video here. I'll put links down there to the bottom so you can check those out. And of course, we use the RecTech 680 today, so if you're interested in that, the contact information will be down in the block also. Hey, RecTech got some great new smokers out there, so hey, go out to the website and check those bad boys out. They're all stainless steel and they're Wi-Fi capable now, so hey, check them out, man. They got some great products. There's 3 smokers out there now, not just 2. So, well, hey, good night, guys, and as always, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker. Fridays, 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 TGI Fridays. Hey guys, hey, thanks for watching our video. We appreciate all the support. Hey, if you're interested in seeing any more Bad Beast Barbecues videos, hey, click one of the 2 links here on the screen. Hey, and as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.